The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf.
I was out raising the capital, talking about this new business plan, medical clinics, a lot of brokers who have some experience with medical clinics or clinics in general have done very well. It's a fresh start. We're talking about cash flow. We're talking about nuclear medicine. And we're talking about helping people for a very serious problem, and that is Alzheimer's.
All right, welcome back inside our Proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Christopher Moreau. He is the CEO of greymettershealth. And Chris, it's great to see you again. How are you?
Good, Steve. Nice to see you as always.
Yeah, good news out from the company today that you've been able to raise more money, about $1.25 million, and a good demand from this, Chris. A lot of people want to get involved.
You know what? It was really enjoyable when I was out raising the capital. Talking about this new business plan, medical clinics, a lot of brokers who have some experience with medical clinics or clinics in general have done very well. It's a fresh start. We're talking about cash flow. We're talking about nuclear medicine. And we're talking about helping people for a very serious problem, and that is Alzheimer's. Our scanner will help identify patients that have beta amyloid. That's a plaque that builds in the brain. So it was an enjoyable, let's say, an enjoyable financing round.
Absolutely. So now you go to focus on taking that capital and utilizing it in those clinics as you talked about. And we had talked in the past about you've got your first clinic in place, and a lot of this capital go to getting that up and running.
Right. What it means is we have a full tank of gas.
Yeah.
And our first clinic is located at the HCA University Hospital medical offices in Davie, Florida. It's about 15 minutes south of Fort Lauderdale. And we don't have a precise date, but we're working very hard now to have the clinic open at some point in the next in 90 days, where we'll actually be able to start taking patients. So a lot of energy with the Grey Matters team. As I said, full tank of gas. We have all the resources we need now to focus on this first clinic. Our digital marketing program to physicians that will refer patients to us, introducing the new clinic in the community. We have great partnerships with Catalyst MedTech, an marketing alliance with GE Healthcare. So exciting times ahead for Grey Matters.
Yeah, that Catalyst MedTech one is an interesting one because that gives you 200 PET scans that you have and in this trial. This is a really important one and a good contract for the company.
Well, I'm glad you bring it up. That would be for our second or third location up in Tampa. So as I mentioned, I think on our last video interview, one of our customers will be contract research organizations that run clinical trials. There are about 162 drugs being developed for Alzheimer's. As they move into phase 2 trials, they need to have a confirmation that a patient has Alzheimer's. Well, you really need a PET scan of the brain. So there's a contract that we are negotiating for 200 scans for a Tampa location. So I don't want to let the cat out of the bag, as they say, but we're focusing on number 1, but I have my eye on location 2 and 3, actually, that we're seriously looking at. So that will also give us additional weight and energy coming into the market. We do want to do a cluster in Florida. And as I've said it many times, we're not opening one clinic. I want to open up a few hundred. You have to start with one, but the vision is big.
Yeah. And now that capital allows you to get rolling on that as well. So, Chris, thank you so much. Really good update from you, and look forward to our next conversation. Okay.
Hey, Steve, thanks so much. Talk soon.
All right, there's Christopher Moreau, the CEO of Grey Matters Health.
The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf. It is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, an offer, or a solicitation to buy or sell any securities. Viewers should conduct their own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. The views expressed are those of the speaker and do not necessarily reflect those of Proactive Group Holdings, trading as Proactive Investors, or its affiliates. No responsibility is accepted for any loss arising from reliance on the information presented.